now time to add some interior custom trim. Let's do it. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm making a lot of shorter videos just because there's so much to do, and I'm not going to go through detailed installation type things. I mean, they're pretty straightforward for the most part. But what I am going to do is I'm going to be adding a trim to the interior portion here, this center control area with this area here, as well as the glove box area. So it's just going to go along with the overall theme, like you all know. That's kind of just been my thing, is just talking about the theme, because it's so important to have a theme and not just add any and every accessory that you find online. So I'm just showing you the before, and then I'm going to do a quick clip of the after. But let me just show you what I'm putting on. So really quickly, this is some of the items that I will be installing. We have the front climate control area. This is the main portion here. Because it's a four-wheel drive, there's that extra part there for the transfer case knob. That's just a little gear shifter cover there, as well as the front passenger seats. That little area over the glove box. So I'm just showing you all in the gloss black, except for that is in the carbon fiber. Unfortunately, I haven't found any in black, but we're trying. Let's get to putting these on, and I will show you what they look like. So it literally becomes a matter of removing all the red tape, and about a half a mile or so. The longer pieces aren't too bad, but sometimes you get these tricky ones, that are so small, and they just kind of tuck it into every little corner, which is good. I'm not complaining. I'm sure it's good for the install. It's just the removal, and I don't have any fingernails, so it takes a little bit. Takes a while. So I'm just going to wipe down the area with these these alcohol wipes, and then put these on, and that'll be the install. Give it all a nice little wipe down with some microfiber, and I will show you the finished product. So to put on this piece, you would actually need to take off the gear shifter, which is simply counterclockwise all the way up, unscrewing it, having that, putting this right through there, because it won't fit unless you do that. So that's how you do that. You just literally unscrew the gear shifter, and one piece complete. So far, so good.